Hey there, DIYers. So, as you can see, this roof is clear, polycarbonate, whatever it is. I messed up. Shouldn't have put this here. We're under trees, and had limb come through, and as you can see, busted it up. So, we gotta fix this. Stay tuned. Alright, so as I said, I messed up putting that poly clear stuff on the roof, and so now I gotta replace it. So I went to the Home Depot, picked up this galvanized, I don't know what it is, 31 mil roofing material. So it's like, what, 24 inches across, but when you overlay it, you're only going to get like 21.5 inches. So I've got a 16-foot roof across, spans across. So I've got to do like almost 9. Well, yeah, I do have to do nine sheets across, and so they're at 8-foot sections. This has got a 12-foot span across there. So I'm going to use roughly 17 sheets of this, about 18 just to be on the safe side. So anyway, I'll go ahead and start pulling off this roof. I won't actually have to get up on top of the roof because I can pull these panels off, and once I get on the first one off, I can get the ladder on the inside, and then I can just have a ladder and I can just reach up through and get the screws undone, just work my way across. And same way with putting it back on, I don't have to actually get up on top, because I can just have the ladder running as I'm working it back the other way. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started pulling off the roof, and then we'll put it back together. I'll tell you, in the process of getting things set up, I misplaced my little 1/4-inch bit I had in the shed. I grabbed everything I needed to come down here, set the ladder up, and then I grabbed my tools, and then I can't find my 1/4-inch bit, and I'm like looking everywhere for it. I don't know what I did with it. Spacing it. But anyway, I had to go grab me another 1/4-inch bit. Anyway, I'll go ahead and jump up here and start getting this thing done. Alright, so you can see the problem I ran into. I thought I was going to be able to reuse these screws, but I can't. So I get the screw out, the washer and the rubber sealant portion is just really stuck on there. If I go try and prop that off, it's going to just destroy the sealant portion of it. So all I can reuse is the screw. The washers are gone. So I don't know if I can just buy the washer portion or I got to buy the whole screw. But check local Ace Hardware, and they have them, but not in stock. So it wouldn't be until Thursday to get those. Today's Monday, so it's supposed to storm Monday morning, so I can't wait. And the closest Home Depot is a half-hour away, so I was seeing if I could get them ship it to me before Thursday, and no, Thursday's the earliest. So I got to drive half-hour. So that's one of the joys of living out away from everything. Things just aren't as accessible. So anyway, I gotta go ahead and unload my sheet metal from the truck, and then make a trip into Home Depot. So that's where I'm going. Smarter and harder. house, get my wallet, and we'll be off. Alright, here we are, day 2. So, Home Depot not only had the right screws, but they also had washers to replace. So I'll be able to reuse all the screws I'll pull out of this. So these won't necessarily go to waste. So I got plenty of those. I just got another box just in case I needed more for whatever reason, just to be on the safe side. So anyway, we'll go ahead and get started taking all these screws out, pull these panels off, get them all off, and then I have to go back. I bought some crack filler because we had evidence of mice inside the shed, so I'm gonna fill all the voids with the crack filler and make it so that it's nice and tight, so the hopefully not even insects can get in, but we know that's an impossibility, especially here in the being next to woods. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get going and check back in here shortly. All right, so here you can see I'm putting in caulking as well as this crack filler all along. Anywhere there's gaps, so I'm filling that in. It's like right here you can see there's a gap. So I'm just putting that in everywhere. I find gaps between the walls so that make it more rodent proof in here. Alright, so now as you can see I've got the roof all pulled off. I've got everything all sealed up. So now I'm just ready to start putting the metal roofing back on. So one of the issues I ran into is the end sealant slips, whatever they're called. They are not the same size as the ones for this metal galvanized. So I couldn't find them online or no place to get them. So what I'm going to do is I just bought a bunch of these noodles, and I'm just going to use those on the end, drill through, and it'll be all squished up, and so it's going to fill in all the gaps on the ends. So those I just bought at the Dollar Tree for $1.25 each. So I got 14 of them. I think that's more than I need, but who can't ever use a noodle? All right, pretty well wrapping up the roof install. So got the roof all on, all bolted down. You can't really see it from here, but got it installed there. So let's go inside. It really darkened up the inside quite a bit, as you can see coming in here. Still got the little side light there to bring in some light, but metal roof's all on and it's all sealed. So I use those little foam tubes, swimming tubes, to seal up in between, and that worked beautifully. Got that all the way around, put spray foam in where I needed to. And what I did is I picked up a couple of these LED lights. They're LED. It's got a solar charger panel there. It's got like 3 different settings, but it's got a remote. And I've got the one already wired up, so I just got to figure out where the wife wants those and get those installed. But yeah, it's got a little remote, so you can turn them on and off. That's working great. Yeah, that one might. Oh, they got waterlogged. Look at that, it's just full of water. Yeah, gotta dry those out. That's from having the it rained. And anyway, I got it all dried out in there for the most part. And then have the wife come in and do her cleanup on it, and then she should be good. But yeah, this metal roof, it's gonna be a little stronger. Not have to worry about limbs coming down, busting up. Might ding it, but it's not gonna, certainly not gonna bust through like it did on this clear poly stuff. This stuff is just yeah, just not that strong. So it just can't withstand, a limb coming through. It's just gonna bust. Anyway, I say call this a wrap, and if you like what I did here, please like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.